In this example, we are going to go through a transaction in which we make a deposit to a vendor. We receive a bill for less than our original deposit amount from that vendor, and we also receive a refund check from the same vendor. For this example, I'm using QuickBooks Premier Accountant Edition 2010, so if you're using a different version of the software, your screens may vary slightly. Our first step in this process is going to be to write the check for the deposit that we are going to make to our rental company. So in order to do that, we're going to select Write Check. And we're going to make the check payable to Rodriguez Rentals. We're going to record the date of the transaction. And the amount of the deposit is $200. In the memo field, we are going to record deposit on video equipment rental. And the account that we're going to post this deposit check to is going to be accounts payable. And you'll see why we're doing this later in the example. Instead of posting this to our expense account, we're going to record the bill that we're going to enter when we receive it from Rodriguez Rentals to that expense account instead. In the memo field, we're going to write deposit. And the customer job for this item is going to be Rodriguez Rentals. We will save and close this transaction. The next step is going to be to record the bill when we receive it from Rodriguez Rentals. So we are going to enter the bill from Rodriguez Rentals. And the bill that we've received is for $185. So as we'll make note that this is less than the deposit that we paid them. So we're going to record the bill to equipment rental expense. And we will save and close our bill. When we received the bill, we also received a refund check from Rodriguez Rentals for $15 for the difference between our deposit and the bill. So we are going to go to Banking, Make Deposits, and we've received the check from Rodriguez Rentals, so we're going to enter their name there. The from account is going to be accounts payable. And we'll make a note in the memo field that this is a refund from Rodriguez Rentals. We'll record the check number that we've received. And again, the amount of the refund check is $15. So we're going to save and close screen. Now, in order to apply our deposit, the bill, and the refund check that we received from Rodriguez Rentals together, we are going to do that in the Pay Bills screen. So here we're going to select Rodriguez Rentals. The first step, we're going to apply our credit to the $185 bill. So you'll see I have the bill that we received from Rodriguez Rentals highlighted. And we're going to set the credit. And you'll see that QuickBooks will automatically apply the credit that we have since it's our only available one for that customer. So you'll see that we're using $185 of the credit and there's a $15 credit balance left. You can click Done in the screen. And then we're going to go up to the refund check that we entered, and we're going to set credit for that also. And again, you'll see that QuickBooks will automatically apply that since that $200 credit amount was the only credit available for that customer. We're going to use $15 of that credit, and that will make the credit balance 0. When we're done in that screen, we're going to select Done. And here you'll see that our total amount due for Rodriguez Rentals was the bill for $185 and the refund check that we had posted to accounts payable for $15 for a total of $200. And we've also used our total credit for $200 that we had originally posted to accounts payable when we wrote that deposit check. So you'll see that our total amount to pay is 0. Once we have all that entered and our amount to pay is 0, we'll select Pay Selected Bills, and we'll receive a payment summary basically showing that we actually didn't pay anything because we had applied the credit. And the screen will select Done. And that concludes our example.